My name is Jake Fairbanks, owner of Ideal Roof and Exterior Pros. And when we started, our mission was simple: to build an exterior company grounded in trust, communication, and an exceptional homeowner experience. Because for most homeowners, the real challenge isn't the project itself, it's lack of communication, scheduling back and forth, and the uncertainty around who's overseeing the job, and the concern that their home won't be cared for in the way that it should be. That's why we've built our processes differently. With online appointment scheduling, you can skip the back and forth and book on your time. With a dedicated on-site supervisor, your project stays organized, communication stays clear, and quality stays on track. And with unmatched property protection using the catch-all system, we go the extra mile to protect your home and landscaping while we work. With more than 750 projects completed, that mission still drives everything we do.